Hello friends, let's solve this problem in today's class. Four triangles of radius r are joined like this. Now find the area of the shaded region, that is this. To solve the problem, let's join the centers of the four circles. Thus you will get a square of sides 2r because the radius of all the circles are r. Now you can see that if you subtract the area of the four sectors, these four sectors from the area of the square, then you will get the area of the shaded region. Now let's see what is a sector. A sector of a circle is the region that is bounded by the two radii of the circle. Here the sector makes an angle theta. Now what is the area of a sector? Area is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. This is the area of a sector. In our problem, let's find the area of the four sectors. So we will find the area of one sector and multiply that by 4. Now this sector is making angle 90. Therefore, area of the sector equal to 90 degree divided by 360 degree into pi r square. So we get 1 by 4 pi r square. This is area of one sector. Area of the four sectors is equal to 4 into 1 by 4 pi r square. So that is pi r square. Now we have to subtract the area of the four sectors from the area of the square. We see that the side of the square equal to 2r. Therefore, area of the square equal to 2r whole square, that is 4r square. Therefore, area of the shaded region is equal to area of the square, that is 4r square, minus area of the four sectors, that is pi r square. So area of the shaded region is r square will be common and then 4 minus pi. Area of the shaded region is r square into 4 minus pi. This is the answer. Thanks for watching.